As I started officially 2016 of the March, the services that we offer is not chartering. They can charter exclusively. At the same time, the website now is we do like a share a yacht. So we open to joiners. Like one of you or two will join all together in one boat. We have island hopping and sunset cruise day one. For the rates, we down to 70% off. So that is around 1,000 plus for them as of the moment. Due to the pandemic.
I mentioned a while ago that we met because of a coastal cleanup that we conducted a year ago. And then afterwards, we somehow discussed about how we can help because I founded a group of YouTubers. And because of that, I was able to bring Seahorse as well to Getting Drew. It was a national episode. So I'm really happy to help Mom being out. And fortunately as well, my mom was hired in the boat, so she's now the cook of Seahorse, and I'm really happy for that. Thank you. So I won't get tired of helping Mom being out. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I am Kate and my husband is JN, and together with my two cute children, we are JNK Fam Squad, a YouTube vlogger and also a BYC member, founded by Miss Margaret. We are also helping Miss Virginia on the promotion of Seahorse Houseboats and YACHTS CEBU. Thank you.
And next is about the postpartum depression na katong woman nga gi-post ni Sir ni Mayor ako. Seahorse also helps providing the baby milks and diapers every month. We are so thankful to our cruisers food kay they are the source of our income. Without them, we cannot do something maka-outreach sa community. And next will be the outreach program for the fishermen. We are so thankful for our fishermen guys kay sila po na nag-help sa Seahorse promoting asa ang mas nindot nga yacht, asa ang mas nindot nga experiences, because here in Seahorse we don't just sell our yachts, we sell those experiences for our cruisers. So here in Seahorse, let's cruise with a pose.
Gentlemen, together let's say cheers with the rain. So one say cheers. There you have it. Let's give a round of applause to Seahorse Houseboats and Yachts. It is now officially reopened.
Breaking news! J&K Fam Squad hits 3,000 subscribers on YouTube and will be hosting a giveaway in partnership with Seahorse Houseboats and Yachts Cebu. We'll be giving away 6 tickets to cruise on a yacht, either island hopping or sunset cruise, with buffet meal to 3 lucky couple. Stay tuned on our FB page for the mechanics. Come and experience the newest outdoor activity of Lapu City, cruising on board Seahorse Houseboats and Yachts Cebu.